Hello guys, welcome to our channel Top Study. Now we discuss fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram also called cause and effect analysis. Cause and effect analysis was devised by Professor Kaoru Isika in 1960. The technique was published in this book 1990. The book name is Introduction to Quality Control. So cause and effect analysis or fishbone diagram is a technique for identifying all possible causes associated with a particular problem or effect. Now, cause and effect analysis helps to categorize all possible causes of a specific problem and identify the reason for a process not working out. Cause and effect analysis are known as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. Now, the technique uses a diagram based approach for thinking through all of the possible causes of a problem. This helps to carry out a thorough analysis of the situation. So we know earlier fishbone diagram also called cause and effect analysis. So cause and effect analysis is the relationship between two things when one thing makes something else happen. For example, if we eat too much food and do not exercise, we gain weight, right? Eating food without exercise is the cause. Weight gain is the effect. There may be multiple cause and multiple effects. Looking for the reason why things happen is a basic human drive. So, what are the use fishbone diagram or cause effect analysis? This is used to discover the root causes of a problem, uncover bottlenecks in the process, identify where and why the process is not working. The key point is the technique uses a diagram based approach for thinking through all of the possible causes of a problem. This helps to carry out a thorough analysis of the situation. So now we see steps to use this tool. First of all, identify the problems. Next, work out the major factors involved. Then identify possible causes. And last, analyze the diagram. This is the whole thing, steps to use this tool. So identify the problem. What is problem? Write down the exact problem we face, that is the effect to be diagram. Draw a box around the effect with an arrow heading to it, that is. Next, work out the major factors involved. First of all, identify the factors that may be the part of the problem. Write down all the factors on the diagram. Instruction, duplicates, commercials, listening, like that. Now identify possible causes. For each of the factors, brainstorm possible causes of the problem that may be related to the factor. So these possible causes coming of the bones of the diagram. That's why this diagram also called fishbone diagram, because this diagram see like a fish bone. Now step 4, analyze the diagram. We have a diagram that shows all of the possible causes of the problem that we can think of. We can now investigate the most likely causes further. So now we see exactly how to construct a fishbone diagram. First, clearly define the effect of the problem. Next, write it down at the center right of a large piece of a paper. Next, determine the major categories of causes. Next, write them on the branches of the diagram. Next, use brainstorming to log all possible causes under the appropriate branches. And last, use 5 whys to search for root causes, then add them to the diagram. Now this is take time to ensure the appropriateness of the recorded information. Next, update the chart as new causes become apparent. Next, make or assign numbers near to the key causes to show their relative priority. And next, collect data and investigate to verify the key causes are actual. And now last, plan and implement action to address the causes. So now we see how to draw a diagram, the diagram called fishbone diagram or cause and effect analysis, or also called Ishikawa diagram. So let's see how to draw a fishbone diagram. First of all, you draw a line like that. Then this is cause, this is effect, and this is cause, and this is the problem. This is the problem, and here you draw lot of causes, like that, like a fish bone, bone of fish, like that. Here you write down lot of causes, and then you identify the problem of root causes and you. Thank you friends, thank you watching the video. This video we know what is fishbone diagram, what is cause and effect analysis, how to draw fishbone diagram. Okay, thank you friends.